moment that she can eat all the bananas we eat, we have to eat all the bananas. We have to find a minimum cake such that she eats all. Okay. If it is four, like is if the pile has like four ends and four piles, so it will definitely take the 4 hours. It will definitely take 4 hours. But we have to decide the minimum because we can choose the speed of 11 and she will just eat up all the bananas in four. Hmm. Would it be minimum? No. It would choose 7. She would eat all the bananas in four as well, but is it minimum? No. We could choose 6. She would eat all the bananas. Okay, okay. My bad, my bad, my bad. So Coco has 8 hours. Let's take an example of one to understand the question better. Example one. What example one says basically, the pile has 3 banana in zero pile, 6 banana in first pile, 7 banana in second pile, and 11 banana in fourth pile. Sorry, third pile. And the number of hours given to eat is 8. Now we have to optimize K such that the K will be minimum, the K should be minimum, and she can eat all the bananas within that 8 hours. Okay. So basically we have to find the speed at which a Coco should eat such that she can eat all the bananas within that's why. Okay, okay, okay. See, as I know this question comes from my research, I have got the intuition like what I have to do. That should be working. More or less. Let's try. So what I'm thinking is to find the correct speed. Uh, the speed would be ranging between the minimum and maximum. Minimum bananas present in that and maximum. No, the speed could range from the speed could range from minimum bananas, that is 4, to maximum bananas available in that pile, available in that and piles. So it would be 11. So it could be from 3, between 3 and 11. But why the minimum needs to be 3? Because it's not really she had to have this. The speed could be minimum as well because the hours are long. Yeah, speed could be one as well. Mm, could, this, could the speed be 0? No, the piles are 1 since I equals to piles of length. Okay, speed will be piles could be less than 1. Piles could be 0, so speed could be 0. We will take this from 0. So it's good. It's good. Now, now the second thing we need to consider is okay. So we will create the array, array from the minimum that is 0 to the maximum number of bananas present in the specific pile. Okay, that is 11 for our example. Now we will find the value k such that it will satisfy the 8 hour one, and then we will keep on finding the minimum value until it satisfied the 8 hour threshold. And once we get once we get get to the point where the R is exceeding or getting or when the hours are exceeding for that minimum for the speed, we will just stop there and we will just return the minimum integer. So we just return that value and it would be the minimum. Hope you're getting my point. Let's go it for better understanding. And yes, okay. No, look at it. Let's see. Right. It goes to just one thing. I'm not bit acquainted with Java, so I have to search about how to find the maximum and that is not this. We will manually transfers. It's good. We will just manually transfers. Into the function for that as well. Hmm. Next an array, it would create likes. Now, one thing of this. No, I didn't actually. Okay. It, Hmm. So maximum value for now files and what we need to do here is to make you one will just in max for now is files is 0. So now it's good for int I equals to 0. I is less than equals to all stop I I plus so plus okay. Now in max equals to if it should be one should be files I is greater than max. Files I is greater than max. Then max equals to files I. Then the function which is to be max max files dot length I is plus max. Yeah, it is correct. It is correct. Okay. And now int right equals to max and then I need just after this. Okay. If we will find out the max into that one feet from there, right? Now, five is less than equals to five. But, middle equals to It could just name doesn't matter. I know that I have to think of better name, but yeah, that's different solutions of names. That's right. Divide by three. You could calculate this time. Now, what we will do is if okay, what first of all we need to understand what mid here mean. Mid here mean the speed at which the banana should be eaten. We need to understand that that if the speed is 4 and the pile has less than 4 bananas, that will also take a whole 1 hour to eat. It doesn't matter if it has 3 bananas, 2 bananas, 1 banana, or 0 bananas. If no, in zero it does, but it will take 1 whole hour for 3 to 1 all the bananas. If these are less than the speed. If if it is like 6 bananas, so it will take 2 hours. If it is 6 or 7 or 8, it is gonna take 2 hours. Yeah, so what I was trying to was I was trying to explain is that we need to keep this in mind that all that hours always depend or are these hours but that sorry that the number of bananas eaten in that hour doesn't matter if it is less than the number is if it is less than the speed it is going to take hour. It is clearly mentioned the question. Okay, so if what I'm gonna do now, if mid gives us the speed, how we're gonna work out and find if it is the least monitoring, then from now is zero. It should be zero, should be let's for now keep it zero. No, it shouldn't be zero. It should be the minimum present and zero. But if it is zero, minimum can't be different. It's no, but it just no. Not zero. It should be minimum in there. Should be mm, min the mhm, 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 mhm. It should be zero. It should be zero. Yeah. Okay. Now and wait. Now, if what it represents the number of it represents the speed which it should be in. How to calculate? the number of hours it's gonna take to eat all the bananas. You're gonna calculate it. We're gonna calculate it like first, if the speed is 4, we're gonna try come on to the first element and see what actually. So before going to the if statement, we need to check the number of hours taken for that speed k is equal to 8 or more than 8. If it is more than 8, then we will go to the left side. If it is more than 8, like if it is 3, if it is 3 and the hours it take is more than 8, then it's bad. So we need to also check the number of hours it takes. So for that, what you want to do is you want to create the function for this as well. Got it? Let's create the function here. Got it? Image. Well, it will take value speed comma files. It is gonna now it will take the speed and what? Okay, one more thing. I did from this. And I guess I'm correct here. Now public int number of r taken will be how unwanted. So we will take int r equals to 0. Uh, and r equals to 0 and for int I equals to 0 I less than equals to file stop 1 I plus plus. Now and I is less than equals to n, and now we're gonna do is we're gonna speed 4 divided by divided by 6. B should be fine. We need to get the C. We need to get the C. Yeah, we need to get the C here. If, like here it is 4, divide by 3, it will give it 1. If it is 6, it will get 1.4. If it is 2, and 7 also that will work. And it will move on to work. Yeah, that's that's true. I need to get the C. Now, how to get the C? Is does adding 1. No, it could be like 20. It could be like we have 24, 27. What? Just 27. 4, 6 to 24. Yeah. Let me take just the hint for the C. C. Actually, a plus b minus 1 divided by b. This is actually the formula which I don't remember, so that's why I'm just copying it. That's really difficult though. Formulas. I don't know. Then c equals to a plus b minus 1. A plus b minus 1 divided by b. Stop. Then c will be piles I plus speed divided by speed. Yeah. Piles I plus speed divided by speed. It's good, IG. Now, R plus if R if R plus equals to C is and then does. No, it is good. I don't think it's and no R plus equals to C. If R is less than or equals to is equals to H. R is less than or equals to H. Then what we're gonna do? And C equals to C. One calculate. No, R is less than equals to C. R plus 50. Just keep just keep if R if R is less than equals to H. Written true. Else return false. And it is if it is satisfying that R thing. Yeah, the main concern is if it is satisfying that R. If it is satisfying, if that value is coming within within the R given, with the speed is if with that speed we can eat all the bananas within the number of given R's, then it is valid. Otherwise, it is invalid. Now, if the speed is valid, now we will just check. First of all, we will check if number of then check equals to number of R is the number of R mid comma pulse comma H. Yeah. If check, check the check is true. If the check is true, the check is true. Okay. Only then we will go for calculate. Then we will go for checking. Now, what we will do is if mid is less than, okay, we will do it. Now, if mid is less than what? Less than what? If mid is less than what? No, it's less than mid. If mid is less than, can you speak? Mhm. Mid is less than, if mid is less than what? Less than what? Take a sheet. If it is true, if it is true, then it consumes less than. Now, if mid is less than the minimum, mid is less than the what? Mid is less than the minimum. If mid is less than minimum, then min equals to net and net equals to and right equals to net minus one. Let's search for moon as well. What if it is greater than one? Sorry, if mid is less than mid. Is less than mid. We can't decide then. How do you, how can you keep how can you keep minimum here? No, we can't keep minimum here actually. Can't keep minimum here because if minimum value can be three. Because I haven't calculated if three if the speed of three could consume all these bananas within 8 hours. It's one it should be maximum weight. It should be maximum weight. Yeah. It should be maximum weight. Now this to prove. If mid is less than minimum, mid is less than minimum. Since minimum was greater, minimum was the maximum value. If mid is less, then minimum is the mid. And we go for searching equals to mid minus five. Mid is greater than. If mid is greater than mid. Okay, then one. What okay, what I'm trying to say is you have gotten the first men as well. Okay. Now calculate the mid. You find it to be 6, for example. Now calculate you calculate this as 6. I found out that 6 also converts in this. So you forward 6 and keep on and go to this side. Go to right equals R equals to midnight as well. Yeah, this is correct. This is the correct. And if it doesn't, it is simple. Just don't make a single chord that means else left equals to mid. If mid is mid is less than mid, it is not now. That's why we are coming here. Otherwise, we wouldn't know. It's simple. If it is not, then we have to just Google that. So mid is not. It's not when it does it. If mid is greater than min, if mid the speed is greater than min. But we have already made min to be 11. It couldn't. It would never be the. It never. It would never be that case. Shouldn't have to. Is less than or equals to min plus one. Last. Return min. Okay, okay, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. It's okay. I got sick. We need to keep it here. Sit. Oh, the hell. Okay, I'm not. Actually, this is the issue. This is the actual issue. Okay. If it's if the check is wrong, if the check is not true, what does that mean? It means the element is visible to the instrument plus one. One logic is outcome is 4.6. Get 4.6. Can't read this test case now. I just complete checks. Read this test case. Can you understand the machine? Output is 46. Output is 47. Expected is 46. No. Is it because left is 1? Hmm. No, I don't want to chat GPT actually, but the test case is just too long calculated. And I can't debug it here as well. Should I debug? Um, let's try debugging it. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try it. correct. That this happens when you are new to language and try to just I just need to create object for using x equals to new solution x dot min is the way to okay and then value equals to x dot new equals to okay, okay, got it. Just so lengthy and kind of tiring. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, bro, my bad. With just a simple thing, it should always be this. The main one, else is still wrong. With this. Yeah, there's a lot of things in this question. And I solved I reasoned it by myself. I don't buy that. Okay. I reason the question myself. I guess that's matter. So, look, see that. It teaches you a lot. Yes. Let me just address the issue, understand what is the problem. So I would just mm, propose the issue. And how the purpose just is a form of crime plays creative things. And I found that interesting. Okay. So then it moves with what So guys, uh, I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna take the break and then